Hey guys, so I got this old beater truck I've been working on, and I'm gonna have to try to save the spare tire. So it's a 6 lug because it has a Dana 40 in it. It's got a tow package on this old 90 truck, and I really want to save every piece that I can to not put any money into the truck. I'm almost challenging myself to fix the truck for almost free. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to make the old rusty spare tire come back to life like a brand new tire again, or a brand new rim again. All right, so I'm set up. I got my tools out here and a couple of different heads. We're going to knock off all this surface rust so that we can just paint this inside flat black or gloss black, whatever paint we have laying around extra. And then we're going to clean this up a little bit. And then we're going to repaint that black probably again, just so that we have a nice spare. You see, it's a 6 lug. So it's not like I can go out and just get any Chevy. I have to have a 6 lug. And it has to be a certain diameter. It has to be this, it has to be that. So we're going to save this nice steel rim. So what we're going to do is we're going to get right into it here. Just like that. And knock the surface rust off. And then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Probably going to have to get a Scotch pad, and go over this and some of these holes and this stuff. Clean it up real nice with some water. Maybe hit it with some alcohol prep, and then we're going to also hit this with the etching primer. Now, if you've never seen me use etching primer before, it's a little different than regular primer. I'm going to go over that when we get to that step, but you have to use etching primer or it'll do this again. I didn't use the etching primer on this, so rust came through again, but if I did, it would have gave us a longer lasting paint job. But now we're going to fix it. Alright, so here's the spare rim. I did a real light coat on this because I know that when you put the tires on and off, it kind of eventually scratches the rust up. I didn't take a lot of time with that. The front, I did after I picked all the dirt out of this with a screwdriver and a pick, all the rust, all the crap that was in there. I did a light mist, so you can still see all the silver and everything. You still see a little bit of the rust. I just wanted to help the paint that was on here in the places that needed it. Now the back's a different story. The back is a complete rebuild safe. So after I got all the rust out, you can see where we're at. It's flat now. There's no pieces flaking off. Everything seems to be good. It's washed out. I hit it really well in the corners here, and then on this side I just hit it with the etching primer. Now I know I show this a lot on my videos, but I am not sponsored by any of these companies, but you have to use self-etching primer on metal. You see bare metal and the green primer. It's green for a purpose, so you know it's etching primer. You don't want to use regular primer that you put over body fill, that kind of stuff on this. It's not the same. It doesn't etch. It doesn't grab the metal. That is made for body fill or fiberglass. This is made for metal. So I wanted you to see the difference in the two. I'm going to finish etching this side, and then I'm going to go ahead and paint everything just with black flat spray paint, because that's what we have. Oh, did you hear that hawk? So it says dot 16 by 6.5. Oh, let's look for that. So here she is all done for the truck. Looks like a brand new spare tire, doesn't it? I know it's a really small tire compared to like this one. You see the size difference, but it's a spare. It's the only tire that I had. It was free, and the spare rim was free. And I bought so many cans of spray paint for 99 cents. I have 2 more cases of flat. 99 cents a can. It was amazing. So there was basically, the paint was free, And remember the rotten back? It looks like a new spare again. It looks great. This will last for another 20 years. No more rotting, water, all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the truck so we can see what it looks like right now. Because I'm taking all the tires off. All of them are almost all flat, you know, and need reconditioned. I know she's small, but it looks great, right? It looks great.